Hey queens, and welcome back to another wig review. Today we are trying the Outre AIRTIED Human Hair Blend wigs, y'all. And I've heard a little bit about it here and there, not too much. So I went and picked one up so we could try it on together. And I'm going to give you the pros and cons and let you know what I think about this unit. And I do have all the information to this wig, where you can get it if you are interested, in all the products I'm going to be using in the description of this video down below under the title if you guys are interested. Alright y'all, let's get into the wig details. I'm showing you the construction. It's supposed to be 100% fully hand tied, human hair blend, track free, okay? It's supposed to be thinner and more flexible, and also it's supposed to come pre-plucked with a contoured lace hairline. It also comes with an elastic band as well. And I'm going to start off by tinting the lace. I'm using a lace tint spray that just seemed the easiest for this unit, and I'm going in with my wax stick. It did come with a lot of baby hairs, but I decided to push them back because I wanted to focus on making sure I glue it down where it's comfortable. And I took my hot comb and went in and just pressed down those baby hairs a little bit to get it to go back into the hairline after I added the hair wax stick. Okay, so this one is supposed to be 22 inches, and I have this in the color 1B. So as we go ahead and start getting ready to install this unit, Happy New Year, y'all. How is your new year going? I hope you guys are doing well, and I hope that your new year has been blessed. Okay, let me know in the comments how your new year is going. Now back to the wig. I am going to glue this down. If I didn't already say that, I don't even remember, but I am going to glue this down, y'all, because I don't know, I feel like I could have worn glueless because it was looking really good, but I just didn't want to have to worry about anything lifting or whatever, and I just wanted to glue it down and see how it looked. Now that I've tried this wig, I probably would wear it glueless in the future if I wanted to. I will feel more comfortable. So we are going to do like a couple edits to this wig. This was not just a take out the pack and put on my head type of wig. I do like to customize my synthetic wigs, especially so that once I go ahead and do all my customizations and I put it back in the pack, the next time I take it out to wear it, it is ready to go. Okay, so I put the glue on, put the melt band on. I went with a left side part, if I'm not mistaken, and I really liked the way that I had quite a bit of parting space on this unit. Like, I'm going to part it, and I'm going to add some powder. The powder that I use, I will put the information in the description of this video. That one works really well with synthetic wigs in my opinion. And I went in and added the powder, and I even extended the part a little bit more, and I love that I had so much space to really make that part do what it needed to do. Like, once I finished the part, to me the part looks very much long. So as I started parting it, I added the powder, and I did go back in with the hair wax stick because this is a curly wig. I did have a few bit of flyaways, nothing too major, definitely like on the regular for a synthetic wig, but I didn't want them all over the place, and I really wanted this install to come off looking more like, I don't know, like, what's the word, real refined and finished well. So I'm adding the powder to the inside of the wig as well, because you can kind of see through it a little bit because it is pre-plucked, and look how much that is looking like scalp. Like, this looks very, very good. I really like the lace on this one. Now the hair, like I said, is 22 inches. It is long, so I did have to go in and cut it, y'all. I did not want to cut anything, but all I did was just like angle cut it so that it framed my face, and I feel like it made such a big difference. I felt more comfortable in the wig. I felt like the wig fit me more because I went in and just did them few little customizations. I just did a quick little angled trim on the outside layers of the hair that were closest to my face, and I did it on both sides. I didn't even go in and do anything else to like cutting the hair in the back or nothing like that. I just wanted the front to kind of frame my face a little bit, and it gave like a layered look, and it really made all the difference, y'all. So I'm getting ready to show you guys the full look, a 360 view. Y'all let me know in the comments what you think about this wig. Would you try it, yes or no? And I'm gonna go ahead and give this wig I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 10, y'all. I like this wig a lot. It is big, it is long, so you know things are going to change probably as I wear it more and more, but just looking at this footage, I think that it looks really good. But let me know what you guys think in the comments. Would you wear it? And also, this wig and the products that I use are in the description, so if you guys want the information, it is there. And I look forward to seeing you guys in my next video next week. Bye, queens.